Most of us have probably come across stray animals in our everyday lives. These animals ended up alone on the streets for various reasons, and they often need our help. Unfortunately, most of us pass them by, pretending not to notice. But as you have probably guessed, our story is about something very different. And the homeless cat wasn't just able to repay people for their kindness, but also became famous around the world. It all started when the head of a marketing firm, Stuart McDonald, found a stray cat on the street. There was nothing special about it. It was just like all the other homeless cats wandering the streets. The man felt sorry for the cat, and without thinking twice, he decided to take it to his office. Since then, a new life began for the cat, which it quickly got used to, feeling very much at home at the office. It played around the offices, walked on the employees' tables and keyboards, and once, it even sent out unfinished emails. Overall, it was busy going about very important business, and it would all be great. But in a few days, the office staff began to notice something strange. Coming to work one morning, Stuart noticed some money lying on the floor by the glass door. At first, he thought that someone had just dropped it, but none of the employees were missing any money. So how the money got under the door remained a mystery, but the most important part was yet to come. The money began to appear in the same place almost every morning. It was very strange. Soon, the man began to suspect that the reason for this mysterious situation was the cat that he found on the street a few weeks ago and decided to let live in his office. Especially since the cat often liked to lie by the glass door and could be seen from the outside. But the question of where exactly the money was coming from remained unanswered. Stuart decided to install a camera to find out, and soon he saw something incredible. The footage showed how people that were passing by the office after hours stopped to play with the cat through the glass door. There was a little opening where one could slip a banknote, and that was how it all went down. As soon as a passerby slipped in the money, the cat immediately snatched the banknote and ran away with it. After which it returned and begged for another one, with its big sad eyes. Thus, the cunning cat earned his food every day, and the office even became kind of an attraction. Since it's located on a very busy street, many people noticed the cat, and a bunch of dollar bills were lying next to it. So they all fell for the same trick. Sometimes, there was even a real queue to get to the cat. Everyone wanted to try to outsmart it, but the cat didn't react to the money until the moment when the person was about to pull it back. Days went by, and by each evening or morning, the furry office worker collected a certain amount of money, which needed to be used on something. So McDonald decided that the proceeds should be used to benefit someone, and began to make donations on behalf of his office cat to a charity fund to help homeless people and stray animals. Stuart also decided to put up a sign on the door, telling about it. Needless to say, the fame of the cunning philanthropist cat quickly spread around the world. And to the surprise of the office staff, people soon began to send donations even via the internet and mail. Sure, the furry animal's love for cash had to affect its name, but since everyone found out about its hobby, there was no doubt about what its name should be. And so, it got called Cashnip. Now, Cashnip is a respected and full-fledged employee of the office, who in addition to being able to catch mice and earn money for charity, is also a local attraction, which every self-respecting resident of the city must visit if they're on business downtown. It's funny how life turns out. A homeless cat that was once taken in by a good person is now helping others in a similar situation.